morning or good afternoon, depending on which class you are. Today we are beginning the 4-day period where I'm not going to be here with a short video explaining to you how the process is going to work over the next 4 days. Now, a quick reminder, today, Thursday, I am having the surgery done. Friday, tomorrow, according to doctor's orders, I will not be here. It is doctor's orders. I would love to be there on Friday, but I just can't. It's doctor's orders, and he would be mad at me if I didn't take tomorrow off. Monday and Tuesday, I have previously scheduled 2 workshops to kind of help you become better in social studies for the test at the end of the year. So this short video is to tell you a little bit about our process over the next 4 days. First thing we need to do before we explain the process is we need to go over a little bit of a housekeeping. So most of you have your interactive notebook on your desk. If you do not, pull it out on your desk. Now what I need everybody to do is I need you to turn to pages 34 and 35 in your interactive notebook. That is the first step I need you to do. 34 and 35 of the Greece section. Everybody do that. Now, if you have something on 34 and 35, you're in good shape. If you do not have something on 34 and 35, then you need to just leave it blank. Unless you have talked to me and you're going to find another way of getting the information. I need everybody to flip to the next 2 clean pages. They do not have a number on them. They shouldn't have a number on them. On the right hand side, draw you a line down the middle of the page, just like this. This is your new table of contents page. Number 2 through 27. Remember, your even numbers are on the left hand side, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, so on. And then your odd numbers are on the right hand side, 3, 5, 7, 9, all the way to 27. Your table of contents page is page number 1. Your table of contents page is page number 1. So, with your table of contents page being page number 1, your next 2 pages are page numbers 2 and page number 3. 2 goes on the left, 3 goes on the right. 2 goes on the left, 3 goes on the right. So, go ahead and number 2 through 27. The substitute is going to pause the video now so you can do this. If you look at either side of the board, the new table of contents numbers or the titles are already written. Go ahead and title your new table of contents. Go ahead and title 2 and go ahead and title 3. Okay, your sub is also going to give you a yellow post-it note. You know what you need to do with this. Okay, it goes on your table of contents page on the outside edge of it. Okay, now that I have explained to you what you're supposed to do for your table of contents, now I'm going to explain to you what the process is going to be over the next few days. Now, based on some of your feedback from some students in all 4 classes, the last time I was out, y'all basically said, Mr. Daughtry, we wish you were here, and we wish that you would have explained to us the notes because we just didn't understand them. And it was a whole lot easier when you were here. Well, I listened to y'all, and I found a solution to this. So each day, when y'all grab your computers, you are going to make sure that you go to Google Classroom, and you are going to play the video. The video is me explaining to you the notes for that specific day, as well as the instructions and reminders about what assignments you are supposed to do. Each day will be a different video, so there will be 4 videos, Thursday, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. And each day I will walk you through the notes, and I will answer any questions that you may have on Wednesday when I return. Also, on the back table, there is a set of headphones for each one of you. If you need headphones, you can grab them. If you have headphones in your locker, today only, the substitute will allow you to go and get them. But there are headphones on the back table if you need them. I have cleaned each one of the headphones, so there's no issue with them not being cleaned. I know some of you clean freaks. I have cleaned each one of them, so there is no issue there. Starting tomorrow, Friday, you need to make sure that Friday, Monday, and Tuesday you have brought your headphones to class, only to Mr. Daughtry's class, and it will only be used for me explaining to you the notes. They will not be used for Pandora, they will not be used for Grooveshark, they will not be used for iHeartRadio or YouTube. They will only be used for Mr. Daughtry explaining to you the video or the notes. If the substitute sees you listening to music or playing videos that you're not supposed to, whether that be Pandora, Grooveshark, iHeartRadio, or YouTube or any other site, she will take them and she will send you the choices according to Mr. Daughtry. Okay? On Wednesday, the headphones go away because I will be back. If you have any questions about your notes or about any issue that you may have, write them down and I will answer them on Wednesday. One last reminder, you have to write down all notes. I know some of you ask, you have to write down all notes, and some of you ask, it's probably one per class. When I stop the video, that is when we're done with the notes. Do not stop it any earlier or any later. When I stop, you stop. Okay? So, I will have a video for you for each set of notes and explain to you the assignment. If you have any questions, write them down, and I will see you all again on Wednesday.